Once I started getting money, it's fuck the community. I started out as a community activist. That's a broke motherfucker's behavior. And I was broke when I was doing that. Only people who think about community is broke motherfuckers. Motherfucker with money don't give a damn about fixing the community. I came to the internet as a frustrated community activist. Then I started getting money off the internet. I don't have time to help the community, homie. I'm booked. Now I don't need help. Now I'm the strongest nigga in the village now.
But don't people look at that as you turning your back on the community?
I am. Because guess what I was doing? Every day I was walking out that door to go help the community, I was turning my back on my children, my nigga, when I wasn't storing up no inheritance. And I was coming back home broke. Spending all that goddamn time and energy and emotions and mental and psychological, I'm giving all that to the community with no return. Walking back home, nigga. Daddy, can we go get some ice cream? No, Dad ain't got it. Come on, homie. I was turning my back on them. Not only that, I was turning my back on myself, my nigga. So fuck the community, nigga. The black community can't improve. Go improve in the mirror. Improve your home. You can't even get along with your family cousin. Your mama and her sister don't get along. You and your brother resent your stepdaddy. Your mama resent your daddy. Nigga, go fix them issues. Leave the community alone, nigga. Go look in the mirror. That's what I did. And I kept saying, nigga, fuck them other kids, my nigga.